to downtown Louisville to give out some positive messages to the good people of Kentucky. Got Travis with me. He's going to film this little good deed, and yeah, just give a note to a cop. Anything?
Yeah, we got some.
Did he read it?
No.
He didn't read it?
He put it in his visor.
Really?
Yeah, and then put his hands back on the wheel. He was like,
it's too cool to read it.
He was like, anyway.
Alright, so we're down here. We just got all our shots done for the video. Now we're shooting some time-lapse stuff. Food vlog.
You want me to eat all of these 3 tacos?
Yeah.
I will.
Do it. Do it to it. Today is a really exciting day. Yesterday we posted the cute cat vs. mountain lion video on Made in America, and it is number 16th most popular video in the entire world right now on YouTube. Popular on YouTube. Popular right now. We were number 16. I don't know what it's at right now. Yeah, we're at 18th right now. It's awesome. And new video just went live on my channel. My kid saved my life. It's a video for Ava. So if you haven't seen that already, I will link it right here. Go watch it. Thank you.
See the camera set up.
So last minute. So last minute. Literally,
I've learned that if I don't see you when I walk in,
you should
immediately start checking my peripherals. And I was just camera set up. He's right.
So I was just coming out of the house to go get Ava from her mom's, and I have a flat tire. Wonder how that happened.
Hi.
Hi! The lug nuts broken loose. Now we're gonna try to... Trying to find a place to put the jack.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Right there?
Yeah.
Thank you for your help so far, baby. Alright, so we've got it jacked up.
You can...
So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take the lug nuts off.
Body.
Got it. Thanks, baby. Left to the left. Are they good and tight? Alright, so Ava and I are about to watch the video I made for her. This is your first time seeing it, right?
A thought occurred to me the other day.
So what'd you think of the video?
Good!
You like it?
Yeah.
Ready?
Ready,
Ready, Freddy.
ready.